How can banks and leading enterprises ensure their mission-critical applications? COVID-19 was a game changer for online banking services. The adoption rate of these services was rapid because of the necessity of social distancing. In fact, the widespread use of online banking services is the new norm worldwide. But what if online banking services are unavailable? Lisa is planning her vacation. Only a few hours were left to get a special deal. However, when Lisa tried to make the payment to the travel agent, she got the same dumb message for hours. "We're sorry, but service is not available due to network problems." The unavailability of online banking services can badly impact the bank's reputation and lead to customer churn. As an IT manager, you know that situations like these can be caused by trusting your mission-critical services to an end-of-life product. It's like ignoring a "road closed ahead" sign. You're heading for a crash. Don't risk losing control over your mission-critical applications. Be sure to get your support from a leading and reliable application control vendor. Allot, the recommended end-of-life PacketShaper replacement.